This video is going to be a simple demonstration on how to use this evaluation board for a gentleman that I'm helping out. This program runs on DOS. Version of DOS I have, it's actually run on Windows 98 in DOS mode, this computer. So I have the software installed in this current directory. To start up this program, you type in68HC705J1A after installing this program from the floppy disk, and it'll create this directory. So right there's a splash screen from the in-circuit emulator for the 705J1 chip. Here, I'm going to restart one more time. This way I can load a file in it easily. So I'm just going to type quit. So I'm going to hit that. Type in 1 for my COM port, and then I could type in the name of a program file. So that's the name of my program file is pod test. So I'm going to type in ICS05J1A space 1 for the COM port, and then I'm going to type in pod test dot S19. So this is going to load the object file S19. So normal project, you would write an ASM file, compile it. The output of that ASM would turn into a S19, and an S19 is what gets loaded onto a chip. So we'll hit enter. That's that splash screen again. Press any key. As you can see, the pod is connected. Here's the program. You could actually single step through this program by hitting SS, a single step. In this book, there's commands that you can type in there. Say, oh, I want to reset the program to get up to the top. Just type reset. I want to display the registers. Just type REG. Oh, it's REG done. There, you can display the register. If I wanted to run the program, I would just type run. As you can see, it's single stepping through. Screens are running. Break will stop it. There you go. Break. And that's about it. This here's the dev board for it. I found if you powered it up and hit this reset switch and then connect it to the computer, that seems to work the best. Thank you.